You can make thousands with YouTube Shorts like these channels. And if you want to do the same, you first need to start with an aged account. If you don't have one, then you can create a new Gmail and warm it up by watching Shorts for an hour or two over 2 or 3 days. Now you need to find a profitable niche by scrolling on Shorts and making a list of channels under this checklist, which you can screenshot. To make sure the channel is monetizable, you can type in the URL and submit it to YT large. Then go back to your list and filter through it. Find what you like the most because it's important that you're passionate about it or it's something that you're interested in. Once you've done that, curate your Shorts feed to that exact content by engaging with it. Find successful channels that upload that content by typing in the keywords into the search bar. Engage with the content, liking, subscribing, commenting. The algorithm will begin to push more of that content to you. Then you can generate a list of creators in that niche and see what they do and how you can add your own compelling spin to the content and make it substantially better. Now learn how to edit using CapCut, as it is the easiest to learn and there's tons of tutorials on YouTube. To find ideas, you need to see what's performing best by the top creators in your niche. Look through their videos and see if you can find any patterns among the best performers. For example, if their shorts are about cute animal videos, do the same, but with clips that they haven't used it and in a better format. Also remember to curate the For You page on Instagram and TikTok to the niche that you're going for, because that feed can be a goldmine and rich with video ideas for you. Next, start posting once a day and aim to improve every video and play around with different formats, lengths, video ideas, and so on. As soon as a video explodes, that is an outlier and we're going to double down on that video format and the idea, but again with a clever twist. For example, if your most viral video is about the most outrageous haircut, you'll do one about the most outrageous beard. Keep repeating this until you get a few million views. Then you get a music deal so you can increase your revenue per view by 2 to 3x. You can get one easily by filling out the form in the description. After that, stay relentlessly consistent and keep posting. You will reach 69 million views in just 90 days, and then you can apply for monetization with YouTube, and then you can start cashing in with YouTube. And one of the final steps is outsourcing your work by finding editors inside video editing discords and asking on Twitter and asking on platforms like Upwork. You're going to train them up and pay them to make videos exactly like the ones that you've created. And lastly, repeat and dominate and like this video.